So what you can also do is you can go ahead and access the image processor of Photoshop using Adobe Bridge. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and select out a few images. Like I'm going to select this one and this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and I'm going to select this one and this one as well. So now to run the image processor, I'm going to go around onto the tools menu, then go to Photoshop. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around and choose image processor right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it opens up Photoshop right here, and you need to wait for a while. And then over here, it loads up the image processor, as you can see right here. So now you can go ahead and select out the settings as you want. Let's say I want to save it as JPEG and PSD right here. And I want to resize it out so that it fits 500 pixels. And let's say for the PSD file, I'm going to say 1500 pixel of width and 1000 pixel of height. So I can go ahead and run default actions right here that I have. So let's just go around over here and choose, let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose wood frame right here as action right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit the run button. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that it actually says select a particular folder. So let's just go ahead and select a particular folder. And I'm going to go ahead onto the images folder where I got the image from. And then I'm going to go around and create a new folder called processed right here, just like this, and select it so that folder is there. So now I can go ahead and run. And once I do that, you can see that it simply goes ahead and it says image size must be 100 pixels wide and tall. So I can go ahead and continue, and each image now will run through the effect right here. So now I'm going to go around and continue, and you can see that it simply goes around and continues with the other image. So let me just go around and continue right here. It adds in the effect, click on continue, and you can see that it simply goes ahead and then continues out with the rest of the images right here. So I'm just going to go around and do the same for all of the 5 images right here. So I'm going to go ahead, click on continue again right here, just like this, and then click on continue just like this once more, and then wait out just like this. Let me click on continue again. And then let's say I'm going to rasterize this out as well, just like this. So whatever I want, I'm just going to go around and click time in again, but you don't need to go ahead and do everything manually. So you can see that I can go ahead and continue this out as well. And then you can go around and continue. Let's just go around and rasterize this out as well and get the effect that we want. So now you can see that this is what you have. So I guess it has completed it. So now if I were to go around onto the process section, you can see the JPG files right here with the frame, as you can see right here. All the 5 images are there. And same goes with the Photoshop files as well. And all the 5 images are there. And the said width and height has been applied for both of the files as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the image processor of Photoshop directly from Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.